2022 iPhone SE, $150. Brand new. It's on sale at Walmart. Here, see? Walmart Family Mobile 150, black and red. It's about as powerful as iPhone 14, but the exterior is like iPhone 8, and it's the newest iPhone with the touch button. Walmart Family Mobile, it cannot be unlocked. There is no unlock for that. You'll have to use Walmart Family Mobile. Comes with some papers in this. And look, here at Apple, iPhone SE, guess how much? 64, you pay $429. This one is unlocked though. This one you can use with everything. iPhone SE. Let's see here, this one is black. I recently unboxed a red one. Comes with one cable, USB-C to Lightning, manual with a SIM tool, sticker, manual, SIM tool. This is the cable with the clips, the box, the phone. The plastic is pretty much the same as with the old iPhones, like iPhone 7, iPhone 8, except for this thing. It wants to emphasize it that this one is with a Touch ID button. We have volume buttons. We have this lock. If you want to sleep, do not disturb. Turn on button here. I have speaker and microphone there. Let's see, it should have some battery in it. Usually it's like half the battery. Yep, it's about half. Hello. English, USA. This is a SIM card, by the way. Great phone. If you really want a touch, this is probably the best one you can get. This is the best iPhone you can get with a touch, finger touch. Yeah. Looks fine. Big bezels here. It's very different from a new iPhone. Let's compare real quick. 14 Pro Max here. You see, it's much thinner, much smaller. Screen is a lot smaller. You can see big bezel here, bigger there. iPhone have like smaller round. And once again, this is Walmart Family Mobile. Locked. There is also a straight talk version, also 150 for black. And this one is Straight Talk 2020 128. They all are locked and cannot be unlocked. That's it.